In order to be successful, one must project an image of success at all times.
And it makes all the difference in the world between success and failure.
Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Grit Hustler. Today we're diving into the incredible world of artificial intelligence and its impact on productivity. If you're curious about the future of work and how AI is changing the game, you're in the right place. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay up to date with all things tech. Let's jump in.
Artificial intelligence. So you're going for artificial intelligence and you don't want to tell the team.
You've probably heard about AI's ability to revolutionize productivity, and today we're exploring just how it's enhancing our work lives. Sure, humans excel at many things, but there are specific tasks where AI, like GPT, is stepping in to make a real difference. Take jobs in sales, service, or document handling, for example. These roles require decision-making, and AI is becoming a co-pilot, helping us perform these tasks more efficiently. Training programs in corporations are evolving, and soon data sets will be used to train AIs, making our work smarter. Now imagine a future where controlling your computer is as simple as expressing your thoughts in plain English. Microsoft calls it having a co-pilot, fully integrated into products like Office. AI becomes your assistant, assisting with writing emails, managing your inbox, and more. But that's not all. Picture having a personal agent, a digital assistant that knows your schedule, reads your emails, and helps you with scheduling, communications, and e-commerce, all through natural language. Sounds like science fiction. It's closer than you think.
Look, the arrival of strong artificial intelligence has been inevitable for decades.
That the computer has artificial intelligence.
While creating personal agents is still a work in progress, the potential is enormous. Company-wide agents tailored to understand specific organizations will empower employees in unprecedented ways. Imagine having an assistant in every meeting ready to provide insights from sales to product schedules. As productivity rises, society benefits. People are freed up to engage in meaningful activities at work and at home. However, there are crucial questions about support and retraining, and governments need to play a role in ensuring a smooth transition. Now here's the exciting part. AI's potential goes beyond the workplace. In areas like global health and education, where there's a significant need for workers, AI can play a pivotal role in reducing inequity. These should be key focuses of AI development. And there you have it, folks. The future of work is evolving, thanks to the incredible advancements in artificial intelligence. What are your thoughts on the impact of AI on productivity? Share your insights in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Until next time, stay curious and embrace the tech revolution.
This new technology is unbelievable.